Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you know find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and yes exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has stepped up security with the addition of professionals to the Gaza staff. And if you agree that this is the right move, viewers and subscribers, more you tear off the like button, viewers and subscribers. Yes, if you agree that in this day and age, you can't be too cautious because crime will go up and officers will go down. More you empty a clip of likes on the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, let's get into the reasoning. Now, Laden, Ritical, and Tamili Sparta are just a few of the recent dancehall artists who have taken security measures into their own hands and are now paying for it behind the bars. The teacher now made that happen to him, youth them. We now put the pressure upon the youth them, viewers and subscribers. The teachers hired professionals for the entire family. Now the teacher captioned the post where entourage go. Him say no entourage, protective services detail. And truth be told, if you are talking about hip-hop stars, if you are talking about R&B pop stars, this is a must. With the security forces having a microscope and dancehall, artists, promoters, and everybody associated with the industry. There are occasions where your people them touch the road. You know the thing, a UTG, a Gaza, we go on the ground, we're good. But for the better part, on certain business moves, this is the right way to go. But this is the modern age. And to avoid getting into any entanglements with the law, having a protective service detail is just part of the presidency. And looking at it from a legacy standpoint, their father being the king of the entire dancehall genre currently, this is fitting. This is fitting. You know, as the Queen people them out there as a security detail. What I do? This is fitting. Now, this was announced after Little Addy recorded, viewers and subscribers, his interview with Winford. Now, it will not be airing until Saturday. And Winford and the team gave a worldwide confirmation telling people the premiere time for not only here on the island, but also in New York, Toronto, London, UK, just to name a few places. But for those residing on the island, it will be on March the 6th, that is Saturday, for those who follow the program. Now, truth be told, just from how, or just from the reaction what the Palmers get, whether it be Vybz Kartel, see the now Little Addy, and now announced Little Vybz. Remember, Little Addy interview trend for weeks. I want to onstage the biggest modern day interviews. Talk the truth. I just facts where I speak. You see how much days it trend for? Just the clip with Little Addy alone. Not the entire program. No, not the entire program. Little Addy interview. Him interview other people that did it. And Vybz Kartel. We all remember that famous interview with the teacher on the cardigan. When Winford tried to ask him all sort of question about raising people, youth, and the teacher for the better part. Yo, I'm gonna say this too. What talk about interviews from any musician? Vybz Kartel have some of the most interesting interviews, some of the most re-watched interviews, where they talk about music And them a talk about business, wherever the subject matter is. Anytime you hear say Vybz Kartel get an interview or something people look forward to. Almost like a stage show. And recently, when Little Addy visited the Onstage studio, it was the same energy. Teacher make a statement recently. Him say, yeah man, I mean them follow but them not follow me. And in reality, we talk about the articulation and the composure with them whole throughout the interview. I see some other artists we claim say them a big man. You them same way still. We see them do interviews and a spin. We see them a spin in the chair like children. We see Little Addy look upon the host. Questions were asked and answers were given. Certain questions were asked. I don't know them questions that shouldn't have been asked. But what him do? Him just declined to make any statement. Respectfully. And him hold him composure. I say big up Little Addy. We are look forward to see the same thing from Little Vybz. Recently, I see him on an interview with Rubber Ranks them, him and Little Addy. We see him do an interview with Sir Montgomery. We got the thing in One Nation. It's a joy to see the legacy that Vybz Kartel, by the blessings that God has created for him and his family members, viewers and subscribers. Not just his immediate family, but also the extended family. Okay, don't the teach of a musical family. Look forward to see greatness this Saturday. Yes, uptown greatness. And what is also good to see is that Little Vybz and Little Addy get them own interview respectfully. Them could have interviewed them together, as is the case sometimes. You know, together they are a group, UTG, but separately they are their own artists, Little Vybz and Little Addy. So to see them pay that respect, giving each an interview, that shows the level that they have reached as artists as well. But also I always have to point out this. With so much artists that try to sound like them father, it's a good look to see them try to put out music that is unique to them. When a sound like a Addy music. It is fitting that in the track, even though the teacher was stating it to a female, say which one of my song them you're right. Yeah, you with studio your voice. And Little Addy said the same thing. Because people like to ask, it was, I think Winford did even ask Little Addy to if I him writing music. And I say, yeah, I me write my music. Why is it so surprising that I write my own music? Well, I guess because enough artists in this day and age not write their own music. So it surprised some. But it wasn't surprising to me. Remember, one, the talent can be hereditary. Means they them can get it, they can in them jeans and them t-shirt. And also, it can be something them put in the work. Them have the natural talent and them nurture it. Put in the work. Study the game. Vybz Kartel. Them have the prime example of an individual who had the raw talent but also studied the game and implemented tactics that we have never seen. Innovation that were new to the dancehall genre. And them do the same thing as young artists. I have to respect them for that. I definitely have to respect them for that within itself. Teachers say I have to brave. And that definitely showed bravery. That them choose to say what you know. We're not going to forward out in the industry. I try to use daddy name and daddy legacy. We are going to make a name for ourselves. Put our own song them. We don't have to mention the general in every song. No. We can put out our own music. We can state what we need to state it and remind who for remind. Remember, they are still introducing the world to their sound. So when them do it different, when them remind fans, say, yeah man, we are the youth. For fans who new to their sound. For the girl in Slovakia. For the girl in Russia, we never know. They might make that introduction for them. But for the better part, they must stand up on their own foot. Like men, we have to respect them. Big up UTG viewers and subscribers. Real way. But it's the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, yeah man, the like icon, then you drop a like on the blog. If I mean like where you drop a like on the blog. Bust a share on the blog in truth. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion, comment section up 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, but other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Yeah man, I move settings fam. And no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiment for you and yours is of course gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.